Hello and welcome back to the SoftWash UK Podcast, your go-to source for all things soft washing, from practical tips to the legal ins and outs of running a successful exterior cleaning business. I'm your host, Mark Cave, and today we're tackling a subject that's absolutely crucial for anyone working with chemicals in this trade, especially sodium hypochlorite. Now, whether you've been in the game for years or you're just getting started, this is one of those topics that can make or break your business if you get it wrong. We're talking about the law, specifically how sodium hypochlorite is classified when it becomes a biocide, and what you need to know to stay on the right side of regulations. This conversation actually started with a sharp observation from Ben Hawkins, who made a really good point. He said, soft washing without a biocidal claim. The whole point is to kill the growths that cause staining, so you get a longer lasting clean. And he's absolutely right. That's the core value of soft washing. But here's where it gets tricky. Just because a product removes grime doesn't mean it's legally classified as a biocide. It all comes down to how you use it, and just as importantly, how you talk about it. So let's take it from the top. According to the Health and Safety Executive, the HSE, a product is only considered a biocide under the Biocidal Products Regulation, or BPR, if its intended use is to control harmful organisms by chemical or biological means. In plain English, if you're using sodium hypochlorite to lift dirt off a surface and you're not claiming it kills algae, moss or mould, then legally it's not a biocide. You don't need BPR registration in that case. However, and this is where many soft washers get caught out, if you do claim it kills or prevents biological growth, even in your marketing materials or your customer chat, then it is classed as a biocide. And that means it needs to be properly registered and compliant with either GB BPR here in Great Britain or EU BPR if you're operating in Northern Ireland or cross-border. Let's put that into real-world examples so it's easy to spot. If you're cleaning a driveway with sodium hypochlorite and you say it's great for brightening up surfaces or removing staining, that's fine. That's not a biocidal claim. But if you tell a customer it kills algae or prevents mould from coming back, you've just crossed into biocide territory. Simple as that. And this isn't just theory. We build this right into our training at SoftWash UK. We show professionals how to keep things compliant from day one. For example, we make it clear that unless you're using a registered biocidal product, like our SoftWash Pro 50 Biocide, you should steer well clear of any claims about killing or controlling organic growth. It's not just about keeping the regulators happy. It's about protecting your business, safeguarding your customers, and helping the whole industry maintain a solid reputation. So, what can you do to make sure you're staying on the right side of the law? First off, be clear about your purpose. Are you cleaning or are you claiming to kill? That one question can guide your decisions. Next, double-check your product labels and any promotional wording. Even if the chemical contains something known to be biocidal, like sodium hypochlorite, it's your intent and how you describe it that determines its legal classification. The HC uses a similar example involving essential oils. If you use them just for scent, no problem. But the moment you say they repel insects, you're into regulated territory. On top of that, always follow best practice. That means using proper PPE, managing chemical runoff, and protecting surrounding plants. Not only does it keep you safe, but it also shows customers you take your work seriously. In conclusion, sodium hypochlorite is without a doubt one of the most powerful tools we've got in our soft washing arsenal, but only when used responsibly and within the bounds of the law. If you're not sure whether your current methods are compliant or you want to build up your knowledge properly, then come check out our SoftWash UK training program. It's CPD certified and covers everything from chemical handling to legal responsibilities and on-site best practice. Thanks again for tuning in to the SoftWash UK podcast. Remember, staying informed isn't just smart, it's essential. Keep learning, keep safe, and keep making the world a cleaner, brighter place, one surface at a time. I'm Mark Cave, and I'll catch you on the next episode.